Right. Now they say the purpose of this exercise is if you can hit this little T, then it's like getting this ball in a bucket. So I'm going to try and hit this T from back there in the laundry. And I'm going to have 3 shots at it. Here we go. Let's see how we go. Here we go. Here's the first one. Oh, too hard. Ooh. So the object So, the object is to try and get this little ball to hit the red T, or as close as possible in this little area, to make it easier for my second putt. That's what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so that's 2. I've got another 4 shots to hit it, or get it near it. Here we go. Too hard, too far, past. Ooh, looking good, looking good. That's not bad. Okay, right, I've got 2 more shots left. See if I've learnt anything. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Last one. Come on, come on. Yes! Oh, he's done it. And that is how easy it is. Thank you very much.